Here are 10 things that you should be buying at the Dollar Tree in November. Starting with our number 10 spot in no particular order are these toe warmers. We are definitely going to be needing these here in the Midwest. It came with a pack of 2. You can see here on Amazon, these are pricey, but when you come from a cold weather climate, these are worth it. The Dollar Tree is still less expensive than the ones that I found on Amazon. The best part, it says it's odor absorbing. Who doesn't love that? Moving into our number 9 spot is this LED projector light. I thought this was so cute. I found one here on Amazon for $14.99. So for $1.25, I thought this was a steal. And you can see right here, they had a ton of different designs. I'm excited about this. My kids will love it. All you need are some small batteries and you can light up your home and make it more fun, more festive. Moving in here to our number 8 spot are these glitter number candles. I had never seen the gold ones before, and I also love these spiral party candles. Amazing. This was a steal at the Dollar Tree. All kinds of different colors to choose from, especially with the holiday season coming. My son is a Christmas Eve baby, so I will definitely be stocking up on these, but I love the happy birthday candles. If you ever need party supplies, check out the Dollar Tree. Moving into our number 7 spot, you know I love these Dollar Tree candles, especially the white ones. If you go on Amazon, man, the Dollar Tree is a steal. And look at this beautiful teal candle with the orange and the yellow. You can mix and match these. You also have some scented candles. You can see here, Harvest Berry. And then we have this very, very scrumptious Bartlett Pear and Cider. Moving into our number 6 spot is this aroma diffuser. Water-free diffusing, battery operated. These were spendy on Amazon, although they did have some limited time deals. So for the size of this diffuser and for the quality of it, I think $1.25 is definitely worth it. You could put anything in here to help make your room more comfortable. Moving into our number 5 spot, I love a good sticky pad holder, especially I did an entire Amazon office organization video coming to you soon, but I found this on Amazon for over $10. So for $1.25, I love this marble texture. I think it would go great in any room. Moving in here to our number 4 spot, this was one of my favorites found in the hardware section. It's intended for tools, but I'm going to show you here what I like to use it for. Look at how adorable this is. You could do this with so many different things. Lipsticks, makeup. I mean, you could actually use it as a toolbox holder if you wanted to, but I love this. Easy for travel too. Moving into our number 3 spot is this gel beads eye mask. Again, with stress and the holiday and all the hustle and the bustle, you need to make time for yourself to relax. And why not do it with some spa pampering at home? Save yourself some money. The possibilities are endless. Loving this cuticle oil and nail strengthener. I get this when I go to the nail salon, but I rather have it here from the Dollar Tree. We also have travel. Moving into our number 2 spot. If you're doing a lot of travel over the holidays, this is an excellent find. It even came with a loofah. I was so impressed. And then it came also in multiple colors. I love this green one here, but you can see they have a teal, they have a pink, and then also, I don't know about you, but I do not wash my hair every single day, so it'd be really nice to put it in one of these microfiber hair wraps. Moving into our number 1 spot, you know I love all things cleaning. Am obsessed. I loved these different bottles. We have a rose gold, we have a gold, we have a red, so we have different sort of spray options as well. Just a great way to jazz up your cleaning routine. And as a bonus for you, who doesn't love all things buffalo check? At my Dollar Tree on the end cap here, you can see we have buffalo check serving trays, a great way to jazz up your kitchen, your dining room, your entryway, to put all of your favorite Christmas trinkets and holiday trinkets on there. There were different salt and pepper shakers, this dish drying mat. You can see I did find some pot holders on Amazon. Moving in here to another bonus. If you have an animal, especially coming in from the winter months with the snow on their paws, I thought this was an excellent find, especially for the quality at the Dollar Tree. This quality rug is probably better than I've seen in the past when it comes to Dollar Tree. Another bonus here for you. You're going to love this one. My daughter found it. These are car seat headrest hooks. There's so many different things that you can put on here. I love the patterns. We have the rainbow, we have the orange, we have stars. I am loving this, especially for the wintertime. Keeps them off the ground, gives more space. You could use this for travel, basically anything. And a couple more bonuses here for for you when it comes to the holiday. There is lots of baking and preparing and turkey and stuffing and banana bread and all the things that you want to travel with, but you do not want to lose your beloved bakeware. Why not get some disposable ones? And I love that this came with a red lid. And then over here we have a 2-pack. Yes, my friend, yes, stock up on these. Oh, let's talk about this deviled egg holder. Deviled eggs are such a hit when it comes to the holiday season. 26 bucks here on Amazon when you can get it for $1.25, and candy jars. I am a candy fanatic, but if you can jazz up your pantry or your kitchen with just some nice glassware from the Dollar Tree, that looks so cute and organized. By the way, I'm going to be doing an entire Amazon pantry organization video. If you want to see an entire Amazon kitchen organization that I've already completed, click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.